Understanding Behind the Cue Ball, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, behind the cue ball. This idiom is a real gem for those looking to polish their English skills. So, let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Stay tuned. The phrase, behind the cue ball, is actually a misinterpretation or variation of the more common idiom, behind the eight ball. To understand this, let's clarify that there isn't a widely recognized idiom involving the cue ball specifically in English. However, the eight-ball expression refers to a difficult or unfavorable position. It originates from the game of pool or billiards, where being positioned behind the eight ball often means you have no direct shots and your chances of winning are slim. Behind the eight ball means finding oneself in a challenging situation where making progress is difficult. It's used to describe scenarios where someone faces obstacles that hinder their path to achieving a goal. The idiom draws a parallel to the game of pool, emphasizing how tricky positions make winning the game tougher. Let's see how you can use behind the eight ball in everyday English. Facing a deadline, with only 2 days left to complete my project, I'm really behind the eight ball. Financial difficulties, after paying for unexpected car repairs, I'm a bit behind the eight ball with my savings this month. Starting late. Joining the competition late put us behind the eight ball, but we're catching up quickly. While learning idioms, it's crucial to get them right. Here are some tips to avoid common mistakes. Verify the idiom. Double-check idioms for correct wording to ensure your English sounds natural. Practice in context. Use idioms in sentences or during conversations to get comfortable with their meanings and applications. Listen to native speakers. Pay attention to how native English speakers use idioms in movies, shows, or real-life conversations. We hope this video clears up any confusion around the phrase, behind the cue ball, and enriches your understanding of the correct idiom, behind the eight ball. Remember, mastering idioms is a fantastic way to sound more like a native speaker and express yourself more vividly in English. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful English language tips. Happy learning!